Hello, welcome to a tutorial on how to locate and use the library catalog to find books online. In this tutorial, we will learn what library catalog is, how to find the library catalog online, and how to search the catalog using keyword, title, author, subject, and series. What is library catalog? Library catalog is a list of all books and all materials found in the library. When we want to find a book in the library, we can use the library catalog. Our library catalog is called Follett Destiny, and there are 5 ways to search the catalog: by keyword, title, author, subject, and a series. Where can we find the catalog? We can find links to our library catalog in 2 places, on the Follett School website and Follett Library website. Always look for the Follett icon or the words Follett Destiny. On our school's website, we need to find Academics, then scroll down to Curriculum, click on Curriculum. On the left-hand side in the curriculum menu, we can find library. And once we get to this library page, we need to scroll down and click here for online catalog. On our library's website, on the navigation bar, go to library catalog page, click on that. Once you're on a catalog page, you can find Follett Destiny. Click again, and you will be taken to our catalog. Once we locate the catalog, we need to open Follett Elementary School page. Now we are on the home page of our school's library catalog. As you can see, we can search by keyword, title, author, subject, and series. Let's search by keyword. If we don't remember the title or the author, we can try a word that we remember. Let's say I remember that my book had a word pumpkin in the title. I type the word pumpkin in the find box and click on the keyword. This will bring all the books that have pumpkin either in the title or are about pumpkins. I was thinking about this book, The Magic Pumpkin, and here it is. Excellent. Let's try another search. To search by a title, again, we can type in the title in the find box. Let's say we're looking for Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and then we will click on the title, and this search will bring all Diary of a Wimpy Kid titles. All right, let's do another search by the author. Let's say I want to find all books by Jeff Kinney. So again, I'll type in his name and click on the author icon. That will bring all books by Jeff Kinney here to our results. Another search is by subject. Let's say I want to find books about sharks. So I can type sharks in the find box and click on a subject. This will bring all books about sharks. Now I can browse through here. The last search is by the series. Again, now I want to find all Diary of a Wimpy Kid books in a series. I want to see if I read all of them. So I'll type in Diary of a Wimpy Kid, click on the series, and voila, here are all the books from Diary of a Wimpy Kid series in our library. Let's review what we have learned. Catalog is a list of all library books and materials in the library. Our library catalog is called Follett Destiny. We can find a link to the library catalog on the school and library websites. We can search for books by keyword, title, author, subject, and series. Happy searching!